per hour. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of the Illinois nearshore waters of Lake Michigan and the Indiana nearshore waters of
Storm Watch number 350, effective until 11 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Boone, Vero, Carroll, Lee, Marshall, Ogle, Stevenson, Whiteside, Winnebago, and Woodford, and the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Walworth. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.